Hi there! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a messaging and rules test for your asset, enabling you to experiment with different rules and messaging strategies. In your A/B testing tab, go to Assets and choose Test Rules and Messaging. Now let's give a meaningful name for the test. I will select my homepage carousel, and I want to test the New Visitors segment. Great! After setting the control group, I will move on to set the variant. I can set a new asset headline. Let's set See Our Best Sellers. I can change the button CTA if I want, but in this case, I will keep it as is. And in rules, I will select the best seller. I can select multiple rules or also define custom rules. My store's default language is English, but the store also supports French. Dialogue enables you to define specific messaging and rules, also for the additional languages supported by your store. Next, I can configure the test parameters, like the winning metric and test description. And that's it!